there, I'm Chef Ani. Have you ever made your own vegan deli meat? If not, today's the day. Today we are making a very simple and easy vegan deli meat recipe. This is so good on sandwiches. And this recipe is so neat because you can adjust the flavors to how you like them. And you can also make this vegan deli meat ahead of time and keep it in your freezer for when you need it. Like on a perfect day like today when it's raining and you want to go on a picnic. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started by adding some water to our blender. Some Bragg's, oil, some cannellini beans. This is going to give our meat a really nice texture. And they're also good for us. Garlic, nutritional yeast flakes, and our seasonings. Onion powder, a little hickory smoke, a little bit of cayenne, and some Herbes de Provence. Now here's a nice thing you can do. You can actually taste this and adjust the seasonings to what you want it to taste like. Now you want this to be pretty strong in flavor because when you mix it with the gluten flour, it will become a lot milder in flavor. So the next step is to add some gluten flour in a bowl, and you want to hold back some in case it is not needed. Alright, so we're just going to make a little well in the center of our bowl, and we're going to add that flavorful seasoning mixture. And I can see that I'm going to need the rest of the gluten flour, so I will add that in at this point. And when it becomes difficult to stir, you can use your hands just to knead it all together. And you want to knead this for a little bit just to make sure that the gluten is developed. You want it to be firm, but not rubber. Okay, so now we take our beautiful dough and we're going to wrap it in some foil. And you want to make it into a pretty large roll like this. That way you can slice it into beautiful little slices for your sandwiches. Doesn't that look great? Next, we're just going to steam this. The last thing we want to do is bake it for a few minutes. Okay, so our vegan deli meat has just come out of the oven. Normally I would let this sit and cool a little bit, but I am so excited that I'm just going to dig right in because I want to show you what this looks like inside. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Look at that, doesn't that look amazing? So I just have to cut right into it. Look at this beautiful sandwich, isn't that beautiful? So I had my heart set on going on a picnic today, so we're going on a picnic, even if it's raining. It doesn't matter. It's still nice out. Okay, let's eat this sandwich. That's good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video. Sometimes it's so much breath. You have to, it's like, thank you so much for watching this video.
Try to say it without a breath.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to join me in this adventure to eat healthier, one recipe at a time. And I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video. Now here's a nice thing you can do. You can actually taste this and adjust the seasonings to what you want it to taste like. I like it though. That's gonna taste good. But it was just a lot to take in all at once.